Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. RGTI Rigetti Computing here on the verge of a massive breakout to the upside. If this breaks out of this wedge to the upside, that's bullish. We could see $10 real quick. This one is volatile both to the downside and when it recovers. So look out for a at least $2 move out of this bump here. We could go from 8 to 10. Well, our next resistance would be 10.50. That's what I'm looking at here. That's our line in the sand here, 10 to 10.50. So that's a $2 move from where it is right now. If it breaks out of this wedge, which is no guarantee. Let me check the MACD. It's been a while because we're in a bear market, so it's like the MACD just isn't very reliable. Yeah, so essentially if that MACD crossover happens, we could get a volatile move to the upside tomorrow. Maybe what'll happen is we'll get a crossover, we'll get a nice pump, nice big green candle, and then it gets, ate up by sellers, right? That's what I'm thinking. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. But, well, who's selling? 18 hours ago? Who's been selling? Insiders are selling. So they're selling here yeah, they're selling around here right now. He sold what? Oh, okay. No, he didn't sell that. He sold like a fifth of his position. Yeah, I was just looking at the all these sales that are happening here at around 9, 8, 7. That's funny to me that they're selling some here. Why didn't they sell at 21? Whatever. It is what it is. But look for that breakout and crossover tomorrow. If it happens, it'll move to it can go to 10.50 at minimum. That would require, again, just be cautious, right? Because all it takes is Trump saying, hey, we're going to tariff this, that, or the other. And the market's going to react by going, oh, looks like we're just going to sell off again. So we would expect the short-term pain to continue. We don't know how long it's going to last. What I do know is the previous bear market lasted pretty much the entire year up until towards the end of the year. So what, December, November, somewhere around there is when we finally bottomed out and started moving up. So this is looking primed for a big pump here. We'll see. It's all about how it closes today, though. It doesn't matter. Right now it's 10:50 a.m. So we still got plenty of hours ahead. This could easily get eaten up by sellers and we get pushed down anyways. But it's not looking like it. It looks like, yeah, what is this? What is this move here? Let me check other stocks. That's very strange right now. We're getting quite the move here from we're seeing strength right now. Why are we seeing strength? All right, I'm alerting it. I'm buying here. That's weird. I've never seen this, but sure. Why not? Why not? So there you go, guys. Alerted and looking good. Alerted and looking good. Alerted and looking good. Alerted and looking good. Probably the first, yeah, this is my first buy on RGTI here at 885. So yeah, I just jumped in. I'm like, you know what, screw it. We're close enough to the purple line. I can buy 100 shares, whatever. It's not even a lot. It's like less than $1,000. Yeah, so... But I just want you to take notice of the fact that I only added 100 shares. I'm not gonna go crazy. You will not believe how many people they go all in every single time, and I'm like, huh? That's. Are you crazy? What happens what if this is the one stock that decides to go to zero? Hypothetically, right? That's just hypothetically. I just jumped in here on Schwab at 85, and I just alerted it as well. So if people are going to jump in right now, they should be. If they they won't be able to jump in with me at 885, mainly because by the time I alert it, I've already jumped in. So, but there you go. You just saw me live alert 100 shares. Again, sure, I could go crazy and put in 10K, but I like to spread out my buys, especially in these market conditions. And we don't know if this is going to break out, and I'm okay if it just comes down even lower. Cool. Whatever. We know what's happening here. We know everything is coming down because of Trump. That's not a knock on him. It clearly was part of the game plan. They take office, right? And they're going to do all these tariffs and everything. Whatever. I'm not going to get into the politics side, but they're going to do what they're going to do. And we're going to see some downside in the markets. And as long as they continue to do what they're doing, we're going to continue to see downside. Eventually, we will recover, and we'll see some runs. And everything will be easy again. It's easy to trade. Right now, what I'm trying to time is the crossover, and I'm also trying to time this breakout out of this downtrend. I'm essentially trying to time the bottom here. That's what I'm trying to do and capture some gains here. If this moves like $2, cool. If it moves $1, cool. I don't care. But it's not easy to time the bottom or even a pullback in the downtrend. That's not easy. It's not. That's what I'm trying to do here. I mean, it's a pretty good setup. If it doesn't work out, whatever. At least I'm not going to buy up all the way up here at 21 or 14 or anything. I'm buying at a massive discount, at least compared to highs. That's how you have to think of it, though. You got to rewire and think like, I'm buying at a massive discount compared to highs. So this is nothing more than a good opportunity for me to scoop these shares real cheap for the next pump. But I think it's going to be a while before we get a big pump. But I'm really banking on this RGTI crossover. So we'll see how it works out.